Hello students! Welcome to today's class. Today's lesson is about linking verbs. Let's define it together, shall we? A linking verb is used to link or connect the subject of a sentence to words or phrases that tell more about it. Have a look at this sentence, for example. The papers are brown. Are is the linking verb. It is connecting the subject, the papers, to the word that describes it, which is brown. Another example. Billy is happy. The linking verb is connects Billy to happy. It tells us the state of being of Billy. So, is the linking verb the same as the action verb? No. Linking verbs act a little differently. They are not used to show an action, but just to link. They are normally found right next to the subject. Also, unlike the helping verb that is helping another verb. Is it clear? Now, how do we use linking verbs? Linking verbs can be used for various reasons. To link one part of the sentence to another, to link the subject with more information about it like an adjective or a complement, as we mentioned in the previous example, Billy is happy, and to denote an existing condition or relation of the subject in a sentence. Also, as the previous example, the papers are brown. Here's examples of how linking verbs are used. All basic forms of the verb to be like is, are, was, were can be used as linking verbs to qualify the state of being of the subject. For example, you are tall. This is a state of being. It will not change. All forms of the verb to seem are used as linking verbs. For example, the text seems easy to read. We are connecting the subject with the rest of the sentence. All forms of the verb to become are also used as linking verbs, like Rowan became a teacher. Keep in mind that some verbs can act as both action verbs and linking verbs, verbs that provide more information about the five senses. These verbs can be used as linking verbs. For example, the landscape looks mesmerizing. Looks here is one of the five senses verb. It is used to link the subject, the landscape, to the adjective that describes it, which is mesmerizing. We also have the verbs that indicate growth, inactivity, or change. These can be used as linking verbs. For example, the leaves will turn brown in the fall. The verb phrase will turn links the subject, the leaves, to the subject complement, indicating a transformation or change that will happen to the color of the leaves. Let us have a look at few examples of the different forms of these three verbs which can act as linking verbs. Verbs that show the state of being like am, is or are, was or were, been, being, seem, and become. Verbs that can describe the five senses: appear, look, smell, feel, sound, and taste. And verbs that portray growth and activity or change: grow, remain, prove, turn, stay, act, get. And this is where our session ends today, dear students. Thank you for your time.